In this tutorial, we will cover the Livestream Player application and how you publish a clip from the livestream to the library. We assume that you already have a Mediabank account and that you're logged in. First, you need to find the event channel from where you want to create a clip. Simply click the drop-down menu and choose your preferred channel. A useful function to know about before you start are the audio tracks. If there are multiple audio tracks for the event, you may find and choose which one you would like here. Watch the player for a part you want to make into a clip. To make an in point, you can either press the Mark In button or the I key. Keep watching the player to see where and when you want to end your clip. Note that a clip must be at least 10 seconds long. To make an out point, press the Mark Out button or the O key. You can easily adjust your in and out point by clicking their respective timecodes, and use these buttons to either tweak by seconds or frames. You can also use common editing shortcuts. Arrow up and down will jump 1 second at a time, and left and right arrow will go frame by frame. Once you are done tweaking, press Mark In or Out to overwrite your previous in or out point. You can preview your clip by hitting the Preview button. When you are satisfied with your clip, give it a name and description and press Create Clip. Once your clip is ready, it will show up under Your Clips. You can either download the clip directly to your computer, or you can publish it to your account's library. Let's go out of the Livestream Player application and into the library application. As you can see, the clip is still uploading and will shortly be ready. Once it's done uploading, you'll get an email saying so. Your asset shows up at the top because it is the newest asset, making it easy for you to locate it. Finally, you can open it and play through it like any other asset. To learn more about what you can do with your new asset in the library application, please see our other tutorials.